Hi everybody, Whemenoc Alarms here. Today we are testing my Wheelock HSPW-24 light plate with my MT4 horn by Wheelock as well, along with my Gentex GEC3-24WR Commander 3 horn strobe. Also, if you have epilepsy or seizures, I suggest not watching this video. Thank you. I am not responsible for any of that. See you in the next video. Okay guys, here we are. As you can see, I got them all set up. This one is kind of acting like the Wheelock AS, but you just can't hear it because it's super quiet. It's hardly noticeable, so I'm kind of happy about that. But it's basically the same issue. I don't know why. The Gentex GEC3-24WR Commander 3 has no problems like that, so I wonder if it's just Wheelock in general. Let's get started. Make sure you turn down your volume, guys. I keep forgetting to say that in my other videos, but never forget. I trust that you won't. Oh wait, keys. Oh wait, here we go. Let's pull the fire alarm. Okay, so that was a test of my Wheelock HSPW-24 light plate and my MT4 horn and my Gentex GEC3-24WR Commander 3 on root tone, both of them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, and leave comments. See you in the next video.